Hello everyone, I am Daksh. So today you are going to see upon class and objects with me. Before that, I shall tell you that we have our own Discord group and you can check it in the description box given below. So let's move on to the object etc. Today I will tell you what is an IT del etc. Before that, I shall tell you that what is an object. Object is just a collection of data and variables methods, and class is just a blueprint. So inside that blueprint, what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to write this init self. This is very important because this is an constructor of constructor. First of all, you have to begin with this inside the class syntax. So, and self is of course the self is of course you have to take as parameter. Then I have written in car class manufacture model hp. You can see self dot manufacture model hp etc. And then I have make another function that is print info self, and inside that print manufacture model hp and dot format will just took the all the given data you have given to it and inside all those respectively. Respectively means manufacture to manufacture, model to model. But if I write here manufacture and here model, it will just add inside this model data, simply because this is a program. This does not know how to do that. We have to do that. Then self.hp. Now I have just given a variable and used my car. That's the name of my object. I shall show you with another example as well, and that is I have made another uh, variable, then car and then parentheses, and inside that you shall write all those data etc you want to write. Now then we have to call this print info, of course, because it will not work until and unless we call that. And then I shall tell you about destructor. Destructor is just uh, written like this. This is destructor. Destructor is just opposite of constructor. If you want to destruct any delete any kind of function etc, all that you can not function, but you can delete any variable etc from this. Now this file has no work here. We shall look upon the next program. Here I have just used amount is equal to 0. That is of course, and it's of course an variable. Then car dot amount plus is equals to 1. How many times it loops? It will add 1 1 1. I have written my car 3, so it will run 3. It will write 3 here simply because it loops 3 times. Then I have just written dot format etc, and here I have just written car dot amount. So car is just the name of my object and amount is just my variable. So whenever we have a variable, not parameter, then we have to write car dot or object dot variable in that format. Then I have given all these data to it and it has printed. And now we shall look upon hidden. Hidden is just very simple. I'll conclude it. Init self dot hidden. This is a function, and I'll write hello. Print self dot hidden. It works here, but it will not work here. So that's what hidden works. And then I have my inheritance. You know that in biology we studied that genes inherited inheritance into more of its generation. For example, you might name someone, then his child would have the somewhat a small amount of same genes. Then so you can see that inheritance is same like that. I have just taken the same code here. Then I have written class car2, and inside the parentheses I have written car, and then I have used super. Super will extract all these data and put it here, and self dot language and print language. So I have not written everything here, so of course I have to again write print info etc. So it was just to show you, you can always write here as well. So what we'll do is I'll just show you the demonstration. Okay, you can see it writes language scratch, and that's all what it does. Now I shall conclude here and pass on to Muskan. Thank you.